Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a crumpled paper heart plaque that is perfect for tiered trays or anything like that. You're going to need a little plaque that I just got from Dollar Tree, scrapbook paper, Mod Podge, and twine. You're going to trace the plaque, and I have this amazing wood look paper that was going to be perfect for the front. We're going to trace it and cut it out, and then we're simply just going to Mod Podge this on to the plaque. Use a fair amount of Mod Podge, but if you use too much, it's going to bubble and you don't want that look on your project. Check out that paper, so cute. So once you get it adhered really well, you're going to take another piece of scrapbook paper and kind of guesstimate how big you want your heart. And then you're going to cut 5 pieces. So you're going to have a layered heart with 5 pieces. Fold it in half and cut your heart, and then progressively cut your hearts smaller and smaller. So you're going to have 5 pieces that make up the heart, but again, they are going to be progressively smaller and smaller so that we're going to layer it. Now you're just going to crumple it up like trash. Crumple it all up really good without being too rough because you don't want to tear the paper, but you're literally going to wad it up like a piece of paper that you're going to throw away. And that's it. How cute. So now get them all laid out so you know which one is your big one all the way down to your small one. Hot glue your big one to the middle of your plaque, and you may need to do it in a couple other areas like I did that one, and then straight down the middle. Just start layering all of your pieces together for your heart. Oh my goodness, so cute. I did put some hot glue in some other areas just to adhere it a little bit more, but I don't want it plastered completely down on my piece. Next, I took some twine and just put some hot glue and just kind of outline the edge of our scalloped frame just to give it a little bit more dimension and make it a little bit more, have a finished look. So taking some hot glue, you can outline your frame, and then we're going to use that same twine and we're going to create a bow for the top of our heart. I cut random strips of twine, and then we're just going to tie them together. That is what's going to make a cute scrappy bow. We're going to fluff it up and then hot glue it to the top of your heart. Then I took a white ribbon and made a bow just like you are going to tie a pair of shoelaces. I just made a bow and then hot glued that to the front. So cute, and something that was so easy to do. I hope you love it. For more DIY, go to theruffleddaisy.org.